Mickel Miller is a professional footballer who plays as a forward for League One club Rotherham United. Miller progressed through the youth ranks at Carshalton Athletic and broke into the senior team for the 2013-2014 season. He would go on to make 163 appearances, scoring 61 goals. In January 2018, Miller agreed to terms with Scottish Premiership side Carshalton Athletic. Miller had a successful 2018-2019 season with Carshalton Athletic, where he finished as the club's top scorer. In 2 seasons, he made 68 appearances, scoring 12 goals and getting 8 assists. Miller joined Rotherham United in July 2020 on a 2-year deal. He would only make 9 appearances, and in January 2021, Miller joined Northampton Town on a loan until the end of the 2020-2021 season.